So this application called Loyal Customer will allow you to generate an XLS report of all your loyal customers from a specific date. So let's see how it works. We will go to Sales, Reporting, and go to Loyal Customer. A window will pop up where you can add the date, the from date, and the to date. You can also select the company if you're in a multi-company environment. And I can generate a list and also print a PDF report. So let's generate a list first. Here you can see I have generated a list of my top customers and I can also get their sales. I can export this into an XLS file and it will look something like this. Here you can see I have the company name, the total, and the customer. Now let's see how it looks if we print a report. So I will go to Reporting, Loyal Customer. I will add the from date and the to date again. I will also select the company and this time I will print the PDF report. So this is how the PDF report will look like. Here you have the customer name, the company name, and the total sales amount of those particular customers, and you also have the duration. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.